Welcome back to the channel. Today we are focusing on Pocket FM, a popular audio entertainment app. Many users want to save data while streaming or downloading content. I will show you how to disable downloading with mobile data on Pocket FM. First, open the Pocket FM app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, look at the top right corner and tap on the Settings icon. After that, find and select the option called Manage Downloads. Finally, turn off the option that allows downloads using mobile data. This setting will make sure that all downloads happen only over Wi-Fi, helping you save your mobile data. Disabling downloads using mobile data on Pocket FM is a simple process that helps you avoid unnecessary data consumption. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.